Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Dwayna and thank you so much for joining me today. Now on today's episode of things that I did not need, but I purchased anyway, from Homegoods and just Home Depot. Home Depot is just plants, for real. Oh guys, I got my garden planet. Garden planet. I don't know why that sounds crazy to me. I planted like my squash, my zucchini, tomatoes, bell peppers, and I'll probably end up showing you guys. Guys, real quick, I wanted to add this clip in just to show you my backyard and what I got planted. These are blueberry trees. I need to go ahead and put them in the ground. I love when my grandbabies actually pick them off and eat them. It'd be the cutest little thing. And then this is a lime tree. It's got little limes on it. I actually need to go ahead and plant some flowers next to them so the bees, it can attract bees and then they can self-pollinate without me doing it. And this is a tangelo orange tree. So, and that is a, what is this? A lemon tree. Yeah, this one is the lemon tree. So these need to go ahead and be planted because I've had them for a minute and so I want to show you. Don't judge my yard because it's got to be cut tomorrow. Okay, these are my potatoes. I just put them in cardboard boxes because you can, or an old tire, or even a planter. So these are purple potatoes. If you ever have tried purple potatoes, not sweet potatoes, but just the regular purple potatoes, they are so good. They're a little sweet, but yeah, sometimes you can find them at Walmart. They be like in a little bag, and you can actually try them. It's like a mixture, like the golden, the purple, and I think the red. I'm not for sure, but yeah, they're so good roasted. These are just regular potatoes that I have. They're coming up already, and I just planted these on the 5th of this month. So wow, and got on Tuesday. And these are my just regular sweet potatoes. And I think I have a purple sweet potato in here too as well. So yeah, so when your potatoes are going old, like they start sprouting, you can actually plant them and get like a whole bag for free. It takes about 3 months before you can actually harvest, but it's so well worth it once you able to get them. So yeah, these are just my squash, this zucchini, and this is squash. So guys, when I got these plants, the little seedlings was like this. But once I planted them, within 2 to 3 days, they were strong and had just took off. So I love grilled and zucchini and squash. That is my favorite. Or either when you saute them in some butter and some onions, baby, you are in there. So yeah, these are just my squash. Last year I had corn in here, which didn't do too well. So I don't know what was going on with corn last year. This is my strawberries. They're actually coming back from last year. I didn't have to replant those. I already got flowers. So hopefully I'll get strawberries within the next, before this month is out. And then that's just an herb called thyme. I love cooking with thyme. So I have tons of that. And it just came back, so I didn't have to replant it. Thank God. And this over here, I have some green grapes and some red grapes. Cantaloupe right here, and I do have on gloves because I just fed my chickens. And then this is cucumbers. So yeah, I got to put another herb here to try to keep some of the pests off, because once you start planting stuff and they start getting flowers, it's like all the little bugs that eat your plant stuff start coming. But I read somewhere when you plant different plants with them, it'll deter the pests. So I got to do that. And this right here is my watermelon, and I like to grow watermelons, cucumbers, and cantaloupe along this fence so it can grow up, versus me trying to get it off the ground, because if I see a snake, I ain't coming back out. It's a done deal for me. But yeah, so this is all watermelon, and it's a small, like just the personal watermelons. So yeah, and these are a red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and the green one. This is green beans that just grow up. And this, oh, let me show you my eggs that I just collected from my chickens. I got 21 eggs today. So yeah, and these are all different types of tomatoes, even though I can't have tomatoes or potatoes, but I still eat them in moderation because of the psoriasis and eczema. You're supposed to stay away from all nightshades, eggplants, tomatoes, like I said, potatoes. But hey, I just eat it in moderations. These are more cucumbers. And this over here is some more herbs that grew back. I have to clean this box out like I did my strawberries. So that's got to be clean one day this week, probably tomorrow. That's my mint leaf. I love mint leaf, watermelon, cilantro, and a little lime. Baby, you blend that. Oh, that is the best drink to me. And that is rosemary. And this is oregano. So yeah, so I have 2 peach trees and 2 pear trees, even though they like little twigs. But hopefully I get fruit off of them this year. And those are my babies. I have 11 chickens. So one day you'll get to see that. But guys, I wanted to just share something more related. No, I can't even really talk. I wanted to show you just my garden. It's not all about me buying crap. So, and I'm so bummed out. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I'm so bummed out about, this was a lemon tree that died, and I don't even know how, because last year it came back. So I gotta get that up. Bummer. But hey, yeah, I just wanted to share my little garden with you. And back to the program. Put a clip in to show you my little babies. Yes, I love to grow my own food. I don't know about you. I've been doing this now for about 3 years, growing my own stuff. So my dad didn't think I was going to turn out like this, but hi, Dad. He probably will never watch it. But yeah, let's get right on into this haul. I stated in my last video, because I still got the same fit on, that I make my own coffees and teas at home. Because Starbucks, now y'all want like $8 just for, not $8, I'm over exaggerating, but you know what I'm saying. Stuff is just getting ridiculous now. So I just gonna start making my own stuff, my teas and stuff at home. So this is passion fruit. I love to like not experiment, but you know what I mean. I got a coconut one, and I'm just showing you the different flavors. And then I have a ginger lemongrass, and I love the taste of lemongrass. I've had a drink. I'm not a drinker by far, but when I go out to a good dinner and I'm just spending some time with the husband, so yeah, I'll get like a drink from time to time. And I had like, I'm not gonna say it was a martini, but it was just some alcohol. Girl, that thing was strong, but it got me right and tight to put me down. So yeah, I love the taste of lemongrass, especially like when you're cooking with it. Yeah. And then of course, oh handy dandy, the vanilla bean. And these, they all were let me stop lying. I'm not. What the world? $7.19. So yeah. And then this is like one of my favorite risottos. The lemon one. Guys, if you see this at HomeGoods, please get it. You will not go wrong. Follow the instructions how it's telling you to cook it. But in the very end, like when it's almost done, like right when it's done, add some heavy whipping cream and some Parmesan cheese. Thank me now. Trust me, you will not go wrong. This was $9.99. They used to be like $7.99, and these serves, they used to be $5.99, because I still have like a vanilla bean one that I had just got last year, and it stayed at $5.99 is one. I was like, $7. How y'all jump up $2? Y'all ain't jumping up cents. Y'all jumping up whole $2. $7.99. To be exact, $2.19. I don't know, but I still got them. Okay, on to this stuff. I ended up finding these little, you know how when you're going through, when you're getting ready to check out, and they have all the stuff. So I ended up finding these little marble spears, and I thought that was cute. This is actually a dark green, and like with some natural colors in it. So got that. just one. They only had one. And then I ended up getting 2 of the black ones. Wait, this was $7.99 and the 2 black ones were $9.99. I got robbed. And this is the other one. Of course, you know, any kind of natural stones, woods, no 2 pieces will ever be the same. Don't care what you say, but they'll never be the same. You guys know that. So, yeah. I want to put those like in a bowl and just kind of fill the bowl with just those. Because I have a lot of bowls. I'll insert a pictures of the stones. So I have 2 of those. Don't I got 2? 1, 2? Okay. And I'll insert pictures so you can see that. And then I ended up finding this little vase too. It's very pretty in person. But y'all, why? Oh, and $16.99. Child, let me go ahead and show you my plants. Come on here. Don't look. Okay. And then I ended up finding these planters because I want to kind of change out some of the planters that I have. But when I saw like the detailing, I wish I could find these in black. I actually need like 2 because I want to change out my pots from that over there to these over here. And this was, how much were you? Because I don't want to lie. $59.99, I want to say. And then the smaller one was $29.99. I got that one. And then I ended up getting a whole black one that I'll show you in just a minute. And so these are the plants that I got from Home Depot. Guys, if you ever want to get into planting, like become a plant mom, because they make a space look better in my opinion, but when you have too many it can become overcrowded. So if you don't have a green thumb, I suggest that you get a ZZ plant. These things are so hard to kill. You can still kill them, but they're kind of hard to kill versus Lacrusties over here. Those are Hindu ropes. I ended up paying $19.99 for those. Now when these things first hit the scene, when everybody was trying to get into plants before the pandemic, girl, you can find these nowhere. These things was like up to $100 for like a 4-inch pot. So way smaller than that for $100. So no ma'am. And these are the smaller Raven ZZs, but I'm going to combine all 4 of those and put them in this pot. But I may end up needing a bigger pot. Of course, it'll be like a nursery pot, and then I'll just plop it down. This is another plant that you really can't kill. Like if you get you a snake plant, you pretty much can't kill it. You could, but I mean, it's going to take a lot. These are very low light plants too, so you don't have to have full sun. I just have them right here just to show you, but these are not the home. But yeah, I definitely got to go ahead and repot all of that sometimes this week, hopefully. This is a bowl I was telling you about that I have all my little stones in, but I want to actually get a little pot that I can put those balls in. So I ended up getting 2 of these chameleon ZZs. I thought that was cute because I had never seen these before or even heard of them. I don't follow any kind of plant people because once I start following people, then I want more plants. So I stopped looking at YouTube on plants because I got out of it. And this is a green princess, a philodendron. So I ended up getting her. Oh baby, hello baby. But yeah, these are kind of hard to kill too, but you can easily kill it, but they're kind of hard too. So let me show you this last pot. Okay guys, this is the last pot that I ended up getting from Homegoods. Like I said, I wish I can find the bigger one in this. I love how natural it looks. And that was $29.99. so very small to be $29.99, but I love the texture and the color is just right. So that is what it is. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Plus share me, and I will catch you on my next video. And I'm out.